Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from Japan. This is a box from Zenpop. This is their November box. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, cool. Alright, so the first thing you'll see when you open one of these boxes is a thank you note. No, thank you. And then you'll see one of these little cards that has their mascot on it, a QR code on the back. So what you do is you take this, you go to the website, you enter in this little code, and you can get all the information about all the products within this box. So what I'm going to do is exactly that, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about each variety that's within. Well, their shipping was a little too fast, so it's not working yet, unfortunately. But yeah, it will soon, so I'm going to have to wing it. But I've reviewed a lot of instant noodles, so I hopefully will be able to figure out what all these are. All right, first off, this looks like a Maruchan Umatsuyu Tempura Soba? Okay, I was close. It's not tempura soba, it's tempura udon. If you are ever curious about what instant noodles you have and none of it's in English as far as the identifier of what it is, use the barcode. Look it up on Google. That helps. But yeah, this will have little bits of tempura in it, a slightly thicker noodle, and probably a bonito broth. Okay, from what I'm getting off of this one, this is Myojo Super Thick Abura Soba. Spicy. Yeah, it's like 5x spicy, I guess. I really don't know what's going on here, but you can tell by the spicy. It's gonna be spicy, so that's rad. And here we've got a Myojo Charumera Donburi Kumamoto Mar Oil Tonkatsu. This was released, it says here, on August 30th. The Charumera is a horn that street vendors would blow when the ramen cart was in your neighborhood. It's a popular range from Myojo, and it's been around for a long time. And Mar oil, I'm thinking maybe black garlic oil, I'm not sure, but it's tonkatsu, Kumamoto style, and it's going to be good. This one's coming up as Maruchan Noodle Making Combined Miso, and I know that's not the correct term. You can tell it's miso because there's a lot of orange on it. That's kind of like miso is orange, shio is blue, tonkatsu is often green, and shoyu is red. So I'm sure in this range, those colors apply to the packaging. It looks like, it says number 1 on about something. It takes 5 minutes. It looks nice. We'll see. Here's one from Maratai. I've been seeing these Maratai cups and bowls from Zenpop lately. That's pretty neat. This one is an Aji Shoyu Ramen. It's going to be just like a soy sauce ramen. Looks like it's got a lot of ingredients in it. Yeah. Cool. Oh, and I know what this is. This is one of the mashups. This is really cool. This is a Nissan product. This is Nissan Cup Noodle, but it's a mashup of their Shio and original cup noodle. Yeah, I'm jazzed on this. Wow, 50th anniversary stuff right here. So, yeah, this should be really cool. I've been hoping I would get my hands on some of these. Interesting, there's no tab on the bottom. Usually they put a tab on these to hold the lid down, but super cool. And finally, one my daughter Mimi is going to lose her mind over. This is Hello Kitty Tonkatsu, and it's from Ace Cook. It'll probably have little Hello Kitty fish cake heads in there, and you know, my daughter might be really into it, but so might my wife, so they'll have to fight over it. Yep, there's a picture with Hello Kitty heads. It says it's kawaii noodles, and it's got a ribbon on it, and it's very pink. This might be a breast cancer awareness campaign. I don't know. All right, so in this, the November heartwarming 2021 box, you get Hello Kitty, Aji Shoyu, tempura udon, 50th anniversary mashup ramen, miso, tonkatsu, spicy, 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 a thank you note, and your info card. Well, thank you so much to the folks over at zenpop.jp for continuing to send me these sample boxes. I really appreciate it. Always good stuff in these boxes. And if you want to get one, you can head over to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code TheRamenRaider and get yourself a snazzy discount. Not too bad. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.